All right, folks. This one's about the lab-grown meat. We're going to check this out and see what's going on here.
Of chicken meat without killing a single chicken. And Upside Foods has spent over
All right.
$200 million in research and development in order to create this technology.
Let me show you how we do it.
Please do. I don't understand.
When we took cells from a chicken egg in 2018, we cracked an egg, we took a small amount of cells, and we froze them in this. That goes down to minus 80.
Yeah.
Wow. And you've used
Good
those
idea.
cells
Keep
to
playing
make hundreds
God.
of thousands of pounds
Good
of chicken.
idea.
Step 2 is we take those cells, we gently thaw them out.
Oh my gosh. This is simulating a chicken's body and the cells are just multiplying.
Once we get enough of them,
Bunch of
we
BS.
move on to step 3.
This is protein, fat, sugar. I'm literally feeding the chicken cells over there so they can multiply into chicken meat.
That's right, yes.
And once the chicken feed is in the container, it moves all the way through these pipes and through the factory and eventually ends up in here.
Where's the
You
life?
look through this, you'll see chicken cells just swimming and swimming in there.
Oh my goodness. It's a lot of chicken. So, every 2 seconds, this produces a
Where's the
chicken's worth
life?
of
I don't
chicken.
see it.
Every few seconds.
Hi there, just your friendly reminder to check
some more
your
GMOs coming at
ingredients
you.
lists because that's 0% juice. This is
Look at
less
this.
than 1% juice.
Ain't that
this
something,
is
folks?
1% juice. Because the same companies that sell you 100% juice will sell you 1% juice. And when you see these companies come out with these additional flavors right here, all they're really doing is adding food coloring. Because remember, this Mountain Dew is green because yellow and blue make green. This Hawaiian Punch is green because yellow and blue make green. Because when you really start paying attention, hey, red and blue make purple, right? That's why it's a grape. So remember, it's not only 0 sugar, it's 0% juice.
Oh, wonderful.
Explain this.
I can't hardly wait.
Steamed, Season's Choice cut green beans. Put them on this plate. Put them in the microwave.
Oh, boy.
Add 30 seconds.
What's going on here? Oh. That ain't good. Bon appetit. Wow.
Explain that. Only thing that does that in a microwave is metal.
I heard that. You got that right. That's for sure. That's for sure.
Let's see what's inside.
I don't want to know. Looks like a bunch of garbage. That's what's inside us. Lord help us. You are what you eat. That's it. You are what you eat. And I are not good. Wow. I'm still going.
Okay, so this whole thing about bioengineered foods from Aldi is like going viral on TikTok, right? So I'll show you here.
See what's going on here.
I
Look at
looked
here.
into it, and what this means is that it contains genetically modified food items. So just like GMO, in 2000, I think the beginning of 2019, there was a new law passed to where the labeling of GMO is different.
Oh,
so
goody.
they do not have to label it GMO. They can add this that contains bioengineered ingredients.
There you go.
And guys, I'm
Beautiful.
sorry. This is obviously not good. So everyone's talking shit saying Aldi has all these bioengineered food products. Every store has these.
Wow.
Okay, this is obviously shitty.
Oh,
So
yeah. You got
I
that
think
right.
People are spreading stuff that's just not necessary.
No doubt about it.
Bioengineered foods. Why are they bad? Bioengineered foods are foods that have had their DNA altered, and they do that for a variety of reasons. When it comes to crops, let's say corn. By controlling the growing process and the DNA of the corn, it can lead to higher yields and more consistent crops. So the growers can guarantee the size of the crop of the corn and the quantity. But what happens when you alter DNA is you're adding genes or taking genes away from the food. And it's no longer real food, it's fake food. And those added...
All right, folks. We appreciate you coming on to PRTV. Please subscribe and ring that bell. We appreciate it. Let's continue.
Genes can do a variety of things to our bodies, like they could produce allergy symptoms, mess with our gut biome,
Oh, yeah.
lead to digestion
A lot of allergies
issues,
out
or
there.
a multitude of other health risks.
Absolutely.
Back in the 50s and 60s, they didn't have bioengineered food. All of a
Right,
sudden, in
right.
the 70s, 80s, 90s, and today, you're seeing obesity
Bam!
issues in America. Autism rates are higher. ADD rates are higher. Not to mention depression and anxiety. When these yields are higher and the production is higher, it leads to lower costs. So you'll see a ton of bioengineered foods in like discount grocery stores. While we're talking about it, there's a lot of added chemicals to bioengineered foods. And our bodies are pretty smart. They know how to handle like calories, but they don't know how to handle chemicals. So when we're eating processed foods with a lot of chemicals, the body doesn't know how to digest it, so
Whoops.
it tries to get rid of that in another form.
Oh,
Think
boy.
the big C word. Cysts, tumors, or it just
Ah.
stores it as fat. And then we have a really hard time getting rid of that fat, no matter how hard we exercise, because it's stored in the body and the body really doesn't know what to do with it. We can't deny the health crisis in America. Think about it, there's some countries out there that
You sure
our
can.
foods in America are banned there. Some of the ingredients they won't allow. As always, do your own research on what you're putting into your body and make your own decisions. Bon appetit.
Thank you, sir. Bon appetit to you, too. Hope you can find some good grub out there. God bless y'all. Hope you have a good evening. Thank you very much for tuning in. Till we meet again.
Of chicken meat.